Hello there, and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. I believe this is episode 24? And I'm eating at the present, but we need to do that armor change that we spoke of last time. I think coming back to this is fairly speedy. Let's check the poise. Yep, 69. Went up by, what was that, 53? Probably pretty good. Come on, bro. Bro, calm down. Come on, bro. Bro, that was rude. Let me just get my souls, bro. Just in case I die to you again. They're over here somewhere. But where? But where? Where are they? Ah, cool, bro. Cool. Now I can fight you proper. Come on, bro. You ain't got shit on me and you know it. You may have already killed me a couple times. You may have a hell of more health than me. You may also do a lot more damage than I do. Do you think that's important or something? Well, let me tell you, it's not. Because I have the power of gods within me. All of them. You may be a demon, but I am an angel of death. Though perhaps I should actually do a thing. I'll be right back, dude. I'll be right back. Just give me a moment. He's gonna shoot lightning at me, isn't he? Just gonna hide here real quick. Whilst I'm hiding here, I'm gonna have another bite of my food. All is good. I suppose I could probably cheese this guy by attacking him, running back there, coming back. Oh yeah, I can't actually use that on this. Crap. Don't think I'll be able to use it on that either. Maybe on this? I can. Okay. See what this bad boy can do, shall we? Oh. Okay. Nothing too extraordinary then. That was a bit of a waste, to be honest, wasn't it? Only did like 300. Two-handed power attack. Very slow in compared to the sword I've been using. Oh well. Why, hey there! I'm back. You ready for more death and destruction? These guys are like OP though. I don't like it. I mean, they're easy to kill when you've got like magic. But when you're just like strongman strength McMahon, no. These guys are a pain. Sorry about the plane, by the way, if you can hear it. Hello! I've just realised I've got to get the syncing perfect in this video and the last video if you can hear the game sounds. Because otherwise you're going to get double. Come hither. Ta, bro. I always knew you wanted to be my friend in real life. IRL. Oh, pardon me, I just burped. How unprofessional of me. Okay, one more of those should do it. It did. Haha, take that. I get to finish my rap for defeating the demon monster thing. Oh no. Uh-oh. There was a little bit more rap than I was prepared for. Ooh. Oh well, I'm good. I'm good. Ooh. Sweaty. Man, this dude must stink after this spell. Pyromancy, whatever. Now I know what you're thinking. Dude, you might not need that given that you're not actually getting hit. But I did just get hit. And I want to be prepared just in case, you know? I don't want to have any nasty surprises. Like, you can't see behind you that much in this game, and I don't want one sneaking up on me. That's about it, really. Get sliced. Dun 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 dun. So I'm assuming this is the way I have to be. See what happens. Oh my. Slippery slope. Boom. Bed of Chaos. This I was not ready for. I was kind of expecting it, but that does not mean I was ready. And I'm dead. It's a... What? I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. Bum, 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 bum. Is there anyone you can summon? I'll have a look. Dun, 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 dun. So, also something about Koilana of Izalith. I have no idea what that is. I'm assuming it's one of Koilak's sisters. Ooh, that's weird. Oh, I get you. Apparently there are things you need to kill, but still, it doesn't say if there's anything you can summon. Oh well, I guess that means I don't need to be human when I go. Just gotta get back there. It's mildly upsetting that the closest bonfire is this one. You know? Also, I guess I should probably worry less about poison shit at the moment. I do think that's probably quite good. Then I'll go for the gauntlets. And can I wear Solar's armor? not fast rolling, am I? No, I'm not. So, can't wear Solaire's 9. That is the lowest armor I have. Okay, what about now? There we go. I really do hope that the big old demon thing didn't respawn. That would suck! But there's one way to find out. I suppose. Sup, my name is Solaire of Katarina, not Astora, 'cause my helmet, yeah. I am really old, my shield is emblazoned with the grass crest. Yeah, look at that. I killed a Black Knight when I was a kid, and I got his sword for doing it. But I like wearing dresses, so I'm wearing the black gold hem black skirt. Yeah, motherfucker, that demon I killed, the bastard respawned. How dare he? That is cruel. Murder him? How about no? I'm gonna run past this fool. I'm in bare feet. Yeah, I'm almost dead. Motherfucker. Bastard hit me. How very dare he? I guess I should roll more. Be a role model. Yeah. I may be hollow, but my feet look human. Yeah. Whoops. My B. I didn't mean to chug the E there. But I don't mean ecstasy, I mean Estes, motherfucker. Whew. Gotta keep going, man. Ain't no time to be waiting. Gotta get back to that fog gate. Gotta get back to killing this shithole. Shithole! Oh man, I needed to belch again. What is this? Look at the slide! Look at it. Look at the slide. I'm gonna roll. Or not. Dun-na-na-na. Oh, you can't look at this from the front view. That sucks. That'd be so cool. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Which of these roots are glowing? I really can't tell. Something about glowing roots was mentioned though. Oh. Oh, new stage. You seem upset. You are on fire, and you're basically a tree. But, this seems painful for you. Ouch, that looks like a scythe tentacle. I don't want a scythe tentacle coming after me. Oh dear. Oh dear, there are fissures opening in the ground. That's not what you want to see when you're around. Why are there fissures opening in the ground? That's what I don't understand right now. Oh, I get you. They're making it so you gotta come through this way. That's very smart of them, that is. Oh my, I got brushed into the abyss. 27,576 souls. 1 humanity and a life. Crest Vatorius. Run again, yeah, 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 yeah. Just saying, I'm not thinking much about fashion souls at the moment. I mean, no offense, Solaire, But I can't pull off your outfit. I don't have the physique for it. I'm gonna switch it up a bit, I think. So, if I switch out that for, like, these. How about now? That's still a fast roll. Looks like it to me. If not, then it's the second fastest of the roll types. Man, the sniffling and sniffle souls is real. Hey there, little vermin bastards, please die soon. Hey there, little vermin bastards, make yourself disappear. I'm a beacon of hope for the disembodied masses. Yeah, that's what I am. I am a body, boom, boom. Body, mind, soul intertwined. Mother bitch, yeah. Mother bitch, yeah. Mother bitch, yeah. I'm swearing. Why the beep not? Why the beep not? Yeah. So I'm gonna be buying a suit on Thursday. I know that's a bit of a weird change of topic, but that's the plan anyway. I plan on buying a suit Thursday. Now, I really like old Victorian wear, like tops and tails with the cane and the gloves, and it's so cool. But obviously it's not exactly worn these days, and I don't want to look like an idiot. I mean, I do most of the time anyway, but I don't want to look like a fancy idiot, because then people will start taking notice, and I don't want people to take notice. It's too much hassle. So, I've decided I want to get a morning suit, but I'm kind of in a lot of doubt about whether anywhere in Narek will sell any. So if anyone is interested in giving me one, I'll accept, provided it fits and all that, obviously. Dun. Hey there, mother bitch face, how do you do today? Gonna grab this and then come over. Oh dear, I fell in the hole instantly. That's fun for you, but not me. Where the fuck do you find the right of kindling? I mean, god damn it. I need it. I say again, I need that. This is a very repetitive episode, and Nope. I was going to say, I hope that you'll forgive me for that, and then I started to say forgive before the hope you, and so, I was going to say, I forgive you for that, which is not your fault. It's my fault for not being good at the game. So, yeah, I hope you'll forgive me for that. And the reason that I held the F for so long is because I was looking for a word in my mind that means, like, entreat, that begins with F. And I couldn't find one. That's why I had to explain that whole situation going on. For my individual. Yeah. I hope someone got that reference. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Why am I making Harry Potter music noises with my face? I don't know. Whoa, I have no idea. No idea. I have no goddamn mother beeping clue. Never mind though, never mind. Worse things have happened in my mind. Why did I get hit there? I'm pretty sure it's the same as what I did before. Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Damn, that was fun. I'm in a strange mood. I'm feeling a bit tired. I haven't recovered from going to the theatre as of yet. Can't one-shot them without two-handing or power attacks. Understood. There we go. And running, and jumping. Do. Sweating. You gotta be sweating pretty hard if you sweat so profusely that it comes through, like, your steel boots. Like, it just comes out the sides, as opposed to anything else. Let's do this. Drink up. And roll. Or don't. That works too. Dun. I am enjoying this. Verily. Headbutting the branches might actually slow you down. I'm not sure. Fudge. Fuck, man. Maybe I just need poise rather than speed for this, so that I don't fall over so hard when I get hit by the twig arm. Man, do I envy the skills of one Generation Hollow, the person who didn't get me to, but inspired me to buy this game in the first place, like 2-3 years ago, and the person who inspired me to start this playthrough of one of their streams, because damn, they're better than me. Obviously they're not like the best player in the world, but Jesus, man, even in their initial playthrough they were better than me. And my phone alarm just went off, so this is going to be my last attempt at murdering the Bed of Chaos. This episode. Then I need to crack on with some schoolwork. Yeah. Man, I've got such a busy week. I can't tell you what I'm doing. Well, I've already gone into the suit thing, so I may as well. Basically, this week, today, I'm recording this on a Monday. The Monday, the 4th, I think, of April. It's something, oh, fuck's sake. But yeah, today, I have test questions to do for, it's either philosophy or religious studies, I can't remember. One or the other, but I've got a plan kicking about somewhere for that. Then I also have well, I'm doing this. I've got to edit together some other videos, because otherwise we're going to have a problem with being able to upload them, because tomorrow I've got to go into school. Wednesday I'm meeting up with Emma after she finishes work, and hoping that that won't be awkward at all. Then I don't know what else I'm doing. I'm doing more test questions then on the Wednesday though. Before then, like in the morning. Then on the Thursday I'm going suit shopping, as I said, along with going out in the evening. Then on Friday I probably won't feel like doing anything due to the aforementioned going out in the evening. So there's that. What else? Sorry, bed, but I value my... Oh, for fuck's sake! Yeah, then... So the Friday I'm not going to feel like doing much, but I've got to do something. Then... I don't know if I have any other plans for the weekend. But I need to take a day off at some point. And hopefully, during said day off, I'll be able to find up my SD card so that I'll be able to crack on a little bit with the next review. Because I've got notes prepped for it. I've got a thing. It's going to be another film. Unsurprisingly. Yeah. It's hopefully going to be good. Gonna obviously be using the microphone for it. And I'm not sure what video recording thing I'm gonna use, be it my webcam or my actual camera. Because the camera should be good. The one that we recorded the last one on. Should be better than webcam, at any rate. Anyway, I did say that last time was going to be the last time I try and kill the bed in this video, and I meant it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get very close to it, and then call it quits for now. And hopefully we'll be able to kill the bitch in Sniffle Souls 25 without a failtage. Oh my lord, stop it. Stop. Thank you. So, how can I do this without getting hit? Apparently, I can't, and the time I did was a glitch. Something along those lines, anyway. Boop. Boop. Oh cool, I can actually make this. That's nice. I really feel like there needs to be another bonfire about here somewhere. Hello. But there really isn't one, is there? That's more than mildly upsetting. I really don't like having to travel this far. Oh well. What can you do? Have I been all the way down there? I think so. Interesting. Right. Let's see what happens if we go full poise. Because we're not, like, fat rolling. Right then. So, my name has been James. This has been Reverend. Let me know in the comments down below if, you know, you've beaten this bitch down there, or whether you've slid down a rampy hill thing before, because I have, and it's not as fun as this guy makes it look, really. Anyway, your name's been whatever the hell it's been. My name has again been James, and I'll see you cats on the flip-flop. a goodbye.